Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin dipped into the support region. We talked about that earlier today in the previous video, that this here could be a flat structure in which the A wave bottomed. We had a 3-wave move up in wave B. And then in my previous video, I made you aware that this looks like the top of a B wave and that we could target the orange support zone, the upper support area. I gave you even a target zone within that support area. I did take that out now. I don't want to have too many things in my on my chart, but the idea was that we were looking here at this area between the 100% extension and the, I think the 138% extension here, and the price did react to it perfectly, to the 1.236 extension at 70,140. where we also have the 50% retracement. So good Fibonacci confluence there. Nice reversal candle. Okay, so you see that. Nice reversal candle, but the upside reaction is too small. So I keep it open that we go down a little bit lower here into this support area. Absolutely possible. I consider this either a B wave pullback or a wave 2 at the moment. Below 69,250. I would have to think about something different. There are other interpretations that could be that could be followed here. I can mention them. Just be aware. This is still, I'm still leading up, towards higher prices, even if we break the upper support region. It would literally just be an indication that, okay, this was not a triangle. All right. So if that level breaks, this will open the door to many other questions. Okay. For example, I could also consider this another wave 1 rally, and then we would have a wave 2, and then, but for now, I'm exploring the idea that this here was indeed the Elliott Wave triangle. So far, that idea was successful. We had a reversal from here. We had a reversal from here. We did have a support area at the time here. This is another support area. Let's see if this is holding as well. At the moment, it is. But all I want to share with you is that the upside momentum isn't strong enough to clearly indicate a low has formed. Therefore, I added earlier today a resistance area to the chart, micro resistance, which needs to be broken to the upside in order to indicate that, this 3-wave decline has indeed bottomed. And what, how would that look like? Well, the resistance area is between $70,860 and $71,280. So this needs to be broken to the upside for me to believe that we have bottomed in wave 2 or B. I discussed in the previous video how this could be a 1-2 setup or an AB. And in both scenarios, we should see a C wave rally to the upside or a 3rd wave. In the short term, it could then send us to 73K, 73.8, or even 74.3K. But again, condition is that support is holding. And if we get another low, then 69,780 would be next support, and then maybe 69,250. But ideally, we maybe just one more low, but it does look somewhat unfinished. The low could be in, but then this is not an ABC structure. It would be a WXY structure. And these structures require additional evidence to believe them. Yeah. So if it is an ABC in wave 2 or B, then I think one more low would be needed. If it's a WXY, the low could be in, but then again, these require proving, like an upside breakout above standard resistance, right? And as long as support is holding, as I said, for a C wave, the 100% extension is the next key target. Can extend higher, but the difference between the 3rd wave and the C wave is, and we won't really know which one it is until we probably see if support in wave 4 is holding, which it would only do if we're dealing with a wave 3 and 4. But the 3rd wave would need to go higher. The 3rd wave would really have to get to 73,850 or 74,340. So it's possible, as long as support is holding, we actually go to all-time highs from here. Okay, what would I be dealing with on the chart if upper support breaks? So I would first explore the blue count, that we're moving in a larger wave 4. I have thought about something different. It's possible that wave 4 bottomed here as a WXY. Yeah? Not preferred at all, because this would be a truncated fourth wave, but then this would be a 1-2 setup, okay? And it could go down a little lower, but that would be my, let's say, the third most likely scenario. At the moment, I'm tracking this triangle and the breakout, again, so far happening. Below support, I find the blue count as it is now, the next most likely option, in which the C wave, which would then come down, would simply test the lower support region between 64,370 and 67,167. Yeah, that's the update about Bitcoin at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.